Very good. So we're going to start off with a little bicep curl. Bring the arms down, let them hang. Draw the shoulder blades back. And actually, before the bicep curls, let's do a little shoulder roll. So roll the shoulders up, kind of squish them up, and then drop them down. Let them hang. So roll them up, squish, 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 and then drop down. Whew. Roll them up. Get rid of that tightness in the shoulder and drop it down. Good. Come up tight, 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 and then let it drop and release. One more time. Squeeze up, 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 and then let go. Oh, nice. Rotate the palms forward. Have a really loose grip, all right? So wiggle the fingers a little bit. Bring your elbows, tuck them in. Bicep curl here for 8. Stay tall. 7. It's 6 and 5. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Second set. It's 8. 7. Good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. One more set. It's 8. 7, 6, 5. Good. 4, 3. Here's 2 and 1. Now let the arms rest for a moment. I'm going to have you, just glue the elbows in a little bit, and now take the arms a little more out to the side. And we're going to just do a little rotation in and a rotation out. So the shoulder blades come together. You're going to rotate in, and then you're going to rotate out. All right, so inhale, exhale out. Inhale, exhale it out. Inhale, exhale out. Inhale, stay tall. Exhale out. Let's do 4 more. Inhale, exhale out. Inhale. Make a complete exhalation. Inhale. Exhale it all out. One more time. Inhale. Exhale out. Perfect. Now bring the arms down for just a second. We'll do alternating bicep curls, but we're going to stay with that external rotation out. So my hands are out the side. We'll start with the right. So the right comes up for 8, 7, 6, 5. Here's 4, 3. I know it looks funny too. And 1. It's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold right here, both arms up. 4, 8, 7, 6. Elbows stay tucked in. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 more. Good work. All right. Rotate the palms back. Draw the shoulder blades together and pull the tummy in. So arm comes forward for 8, 7, 6, 5. Here's 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Here's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and we have 1 more set. It's 8, 7, 6, 5. Here's 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now both arms come up with a nice deep breath up. Exhale it out. Inhale up. Exhale out. Inhale up. Keep the shoulders soft. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Very good. We're warming up now, huh? Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale down. Beautiful. So coming out to the sides, elbows soft, lifting for 8. Shoulder blades down. 7. Here's 6. And 5. It's 4. 3. Here's 2. And 1. Good work. Second set. Here is 8. And 7. Good. 6. And 5. It's 4. 3. Keep the shoulders soft. Here's 2. And last one. Very nice. All right, our last set here of triceps. So shoulders back, belly in, bring the arms up. Elbows come a little bit closer to the side of your face. You're going to push straight up for 8. 7. Here's 6. 5. Good. 4. 3. Stay strong. 2. And 1. Good. Second set. Here's 8. And 7. 6. And 5. Good. 4. 3. It's 2. And one more set. Here we go. 8. 7. It's 6. 5. Good. 4. 3. Here's 2. Last one. Beautiful job. Very carefully. Let's go ahead and take, let's go ahead and put our weights down. So we're going to sit. Let's hold onto the ball with our legs and our feet. And I'm going to have you scoot. Make sure you're down on the end of your mat. Let's bring our hands behind our back. Now go ahead and take your feet on top of the ball. And I'd like you to bring your feet slightly together, knees together, and arms just go ahead and stay resting to your side. And we're just going to push the ball away and roll back in. And we'll get into a little more Pilates here on our back. So when you push the ball away, I'd like you to come into a scoop, so pulling that navel to the spine. We'll get a nice little stretch through the back of the legs, and we'll do a couple more. And now you're going to hold. You're going to hold. Let's go ahead and take a little glute squeeze. So we'll work through the buttocks. You're going to slide your shoulder blades down, engage into your abdominals. Take an inhale, dig your feet into the ball, and lift your hips up in just a gentle squeeze here for 3, 2, 1, and release. Good. Lift for 3, 2, 1, and release. Lift for 3, 2, 1, and release. Lift for 3, 2, 1, and release. Good. Lift for 3, 2, 1, and release. Lift for 3, 2, 1, and release. Lift for 3, 2, 1, and release. One more. Lift for 3, 2, 1, and rest. Bring your knees in, both feet on the ball and knees together. We're going to come into some bridging. So this is strengthening your legs, but we're stretching the back at the same time. Now only lift as high as it feels comfortable for you. So arms resting to the side, tuck the chin in, pull the belly in, take an inhale. As you exhale, press down into your feet, lift your hips up and hold. Take an inhale. As you exhale, roll down through the shoulder blades, through the back of the rib cage, and all the way down through the sacrum. Good. Inhale deeply. Exhale, draw the belly in. Press your feet down. Lift your hips up and hold. Take an inhale. As you exhale, roll down through the shoulder blades, the back of the rib cage, through the mid back, and now the low back. Good. And last time. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Draw the belly in. Press your feet into the ball. Lift your hips up and hold. Take an inhale. As you exhale, slowly articulate down through that spine. Good. So let's grab the ball with your feet. Take the ball into your hands and holding here. Let's come into our knee drops. Good oblique work. So keep the inner thighs and your knees together. Drop your knees to the right and the ball goes to the left. Come to center. And now knees to the opposite side. Inhale, center. And your head will just gently follow the ball side to side. So here's 4. Good, 3. Here's 2. And 1. Could we have one? Let's do one more set of 8. So here's 8 and 7. Good, 6 and 5. Good, 4 and 3. Here's 2 and 1. Very nice. So now we'll come into our single leg stretch. You're going to take an inhale. As you exhale, scoop, pull the belly in and lift. Ball is hovering over the shin and send your right leg out. And now let's go ahead and switch. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5. Here's 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. It's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and one more set. It's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Whew, good. Rest and hold. Let's just drop the chin a little bit side to side. Now I'd like to do a little scissoring. Remember, we did stretch our legs a little bit. So we're going to take the legs up and over. And again, you can keep the knees soft and you keep the head and shoulders also down. Remember, the lowering of the legs is a part that starts to affect the back. So lower the leg just a little bit. Don't go all the way down because that'll start putting a lot of, might bring too much stress on some of the backs that are a little tender on that one. So you're going to inhale to prepare. As you exhale, you're going to scoop, maybe lift the head and chest up, shoulder blades off the mat. Take the right leg down just a little bit. And now switch. Go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. It's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and one more set. It's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Whew, good work. Let's put the ball down. Put on the ball, roll the ball off, and we're going to roll towards the ball using your hand to push up. Come on to your belly. And we're going to do a little pointer dog here, or in yoga we would call this a dancing cat. So lay the belly on the ball, reach your arms over, and then straighten out those legs. So feet can be a little wide, that can stabilize a little bit. Get your hands grounded to the mat. So this is going to really make a difference on the ball and how big or high it is. So just starting out with the feet, you don't have to add the arms unless you want to. You're going to send the right leg up and hold and just really engage into the buttocks a little bit, that butt cheek. Take an inhale. When you exhale, let's reach the opposite arm and just see how that feels. Take an inhale. Exhale and release. Good. Keep the belly strong. Now let's take that left leg, pick it up. Engage into the abdominals and reach the opposite arm and hold. Don't hold your breath. Take a nice deep inhale. As you exhale, release. So we'll go side to side. So we inhale to center, exhale, right leg, left arm reach. Inhale and release. Be careful. Left leg, right arm reach. Inhale and release. Good. Right leg, left arm reach. Inhale, release. Good. Left leg, right arm reach. Inhale, release. Good. Right leg, left arm reach. Inhale, release. Good. Left leg, right arm reach. Inhale, release. Last two. Right leg, left arm reach. Inhale, release. And last one. Left leg, right arm reach. Inhale and release. Bend your knees. You're ready to stretch your upper back. So take your hands really wide as the ball. Spread the fingers and roll out over the top of your quads and reach. You can tuck the chin in or child's pose. And just one more full breath. You're going to roll the ball back up. Legs are wide. And go ahead, bring both hands on top of the ball. You're going to zip up the abdominals and roll the ball forward. Come into our straddled forward fold. And one more cleansing breath. Rolling that ball up. Take your feet together. Bound angle pose, Baddha Konasana. Bringing the ball between your knees. Bring your elbows on either side of your ball and bring your hands to Namaste. Thumbs together and thumbs to the third eye. Namaste. Thank you guys so much.